Hello, today we will explore how to deliciously grill pork belly, a dish that requires careful attention from preparation to serving. Let's look at the steps involved. The first step is selecting and preparing the pork belly. Start by choosing fresh, high-quality pork belly. It's best if the fat and meat are well mixed, with the meat appearing red and the fat white. The thickness should typically be between 1 to 1.5 centimeters. If it's too thick, it might not cook through properly, and if it's too thin, it could burn easily. Before grilling, let the pork belly sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes to remove the chill and even out the meat temperature, which helps it cook evenly. The second step involves preheating the pan or grill. If using a pan, preheat it on medium heat before placing the pork belly on it. The pan must be hot enough to prevent the meat from sticking and to achieve a good grilling effect. When using a grill, preheat it thoroughly before adding the meat and set it to medium heat to ensure the meat cooks evenly. The third step is grilling the pork belly. Before grilling, you can sprinkle a little salt and pepper to enhance the flavor of the meat, but be careful not to use too much seasoning. After placing the meat in the pan, wait until one side turns golden before flipping it. It's important not to flip the meat too often. Once the first side is cooked, flip the meat and cook the other side for the same duration. The fourth step involves managing the grease. Properly remove the grease that comes out of the pork belly. Excessive grease can spoil the flavor. If using a grill, make use of a drip tray, and if using a pan, lightly dabbing with a paper towel is also a good method. Finally, the completion and serving step. Allow the grilled pork belly to rest for about 1 to 2 minutes before plating to let the juices spread evenly throughout the meat, enhancing its flavor. Cut the meat into suitable sizes for serving. It tastes even better when served with lettuce, perilla leaves, garlic, and ssamjang. That's all for the method of deliciously grilling pork belly. I hope you can enjoy this tasty dish at home using these steps. Thank you.